Sichuan Opera. This hall is really like big, and currently about 20 people visiting this exhibition at level 2. It's a Friday afternoon. The time now is about 4 p.m. I believe they close around 5, so just enough time because there's still a level 1 and 3. I really love these oil paintings. I've been to quite a few countries already, and I'm pretty amazed with the exhibits right here, as well as the quality and the marksmanship. It takes lots of time to do just one canvas oil painting, and look at that. Wow, the puppetry of the Sichuan kind of opera stuff. And this one, neighborhood, the children, elderly, dogs and the houses, and the market. Oh. This now at the other section of the third one, the Sichuan Youth Oil Painting Exhibition. I think when you say youth oil painting, it could be mostly done by the youth. So I really love canvas oil painting. I was not an avid lover of art actually in the past, but ever since I did some YouTube, I went to a few museum gallery and realized that there's more to that meets the eye. Actually, art is a way to express our feelings, emotion about the past, present and future, and then it also conveys our hope for the future and stuff. Very nice exhibition today. And earlier I was at the Chengdu Science Museum, so check it out in my channel. Alright, the top floor, the Divine Land Overall Museum. It looks nice. There's aircon, but there's no English. There's some interesting pictures, photos, and Chinese words. These are the biography of some of the artists, which actually are quite elderly already. Some of them it has already passed away, or most of them. I think only 2 surviving. Alright, there's a bronze statue here. I'm not sure what it is. It's still like very hot weather outside today, especially hot today. The time is 3:30. So there are a total of 3 levels. I think take about 1 hour to complete the tour. And tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I'll be planning a trip to the Panda Sanctuary breeding site to catch a panda action once again. I visited them yesterday, so yesterday was good weather, but it's like almost to put the rain. And right here, anyway, exhibition hall 3, and there's another one about youth oil painting. Right here on level 2, there's a youth oil painting exhibition going on from 13th September to 8th of October. So let's go. This exhibition hall 4. Oil paintings are my favorite because they are really interesting to watch and really beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Amazing oil painting. They can last a long time. Many years. And wow. Actually large collections. Wow. Wow. And they're actually quite big actually. You can't really carry them home unless there's other methods. I'll end my video right here because at level 1, the 2 exhibition halls are currently closed. So have a good day today. I hope you have same thing too. Good day, and Subscribe if not done so to get latest update and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I would like to see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone and bye bye.